Yesterday we talked about word problem, right? So when we have a word problem, what should we do first? Before we read it, what should we look for?
The numbers.
Circle the numbers. Yes, we circle the numbers. So I have 12 and 8. And then what we do next, Valerie? Circle or underline? Underline the question. It's fine. Not much. That's good. Okay. I'm going to put it up here. First, we will circle. Numbers. And then we underline. Yes, underline the question. And then what else? What should we do next? We need to, today I'll tell you the next step, we need to box the action verb. Right? Put the action verb in a box if we find some. So let's read and see if we have any action verb in here. I have 12 flowers in a vase. 8 are daisies and the rest are roses. How many are roses? Is there any action verb? Do you see any action verb in the problem? No, we don't have any action verb, right? So we don't box anything. But I still write the step down so you guys know. We box the action verb. Cyrus, put that away. Just focus on here. We're talking about steps, okay? And then what is next? Next thing, we're gonna read the problem again and evaluate, right? What we need to do with the numbers that we circle and the questions that we underline, okay? So I have 12 flowers. What does it tell you? Okay, so we have 12 flowers. If you don't know how to solve the problem, I recommend you draw it out. So we know that we have 12 flowers. So how many circles do I draw? 12. So we learn to put things in rows of 5, right? So I put 2, 5, and then 2. So I have 12 flowers. And this is my 12 flowers. In a vase. And 8 are daisies, right? We have 8 daisies. What color of daisies do you like to be? Blue. So I'm going to use blue. And color how many? 8, because we have 8 daisies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And then read the question. How many are roses? What do you think? Kaylee? 4 are roses. Good job. But how do you know? How do you know that it asked for? What do we need to do to make it 4? Awesome. Thank you, Evelyn. So we know that we have 12 flowers in total, right, Brandon? And then we color the one that are daisies, and the rest should be roses, right? So that means if we have 12 flowers, we take away the numbers of daisies. We should have the numbers of roses, right? So take away, that means we count backward or forward. Backward 8 times, right? So we know that is 4. Right? So the part right here, I call that we evaluate. Okay, when I evaluate, what did I do? Yeah, that is the summit part.
You have to take away that last time backwards.
Okay. Before I do that, what did I do? I read the problems, right? And I figured out what should I do. But by drawing out the information that I have 12 flowers and 8 are daisies and the rest are what, right? That's how we evaluate in the problem to see what we need to do, right? And the last part, what is this one? We solve the problem.
Where is he doing the man?